a lovely start to the day, but it's going to get to 38 degrees. Yeah, I agree. That's a butcher bird just having a little chat to me. I love their songs. They just got the best songs, butcher birds. Anyway, so I thought I'd get out early and get a ride in before it really does heat up. So it's going to be a road ride, actually. I'll just explain to you. You got a funny song, butcher bird. It really is nice. Have a look at Falcon. Almost luggageless. Gave him a clean yesterday. Got to go through some maintenance with it. Having cleaned it all up and got everything off it, I have to try really hard not to go on any dirt roads today. Mess it all up again. Because it's not really the weather to be doing jobs over and over again. It's so hot it's hard to do anything. So we'll head off into that foggy valley and do a road ride. Where's that little guy? Like a little grasshopper on the screen. Yeah, must resist the temptation to hit the dirt. Just enjoy this bike for what it is on the road, which is quite a lot of fun. So yeah, we're starting out on Bangalore Road, which is actually a pretty fun road. Let's see if we can make it all the way along it to Bangalore without getting distracted. Well, I'm a little bit bored already. I've got to take a little bit of a detour, but it will lead me back to this road, and I promise it's not dirt, honest. But what I shall do is enjoy why this bike is so good on road as well as off road. It's been a hell of a long time since I've been up this road. I think partially because it was closed for a few years, as usual because of flood damage. Anyway, we're back on the Bangalore Road now. Well, nearly. A couple more bends. Holy moly, more bends. Okay, I really have forgotten what this road's like. Drive safely in Clunes, drive heavy you like anywhere else. Alrighty, seems to be the message there. So we're in Clunes, cute little village. I need to hang back to these people a little bit. They're being annoying, the tailgating each other, the speeding between bits when they're going slow, and there's some nice bends coming up. So this is Bangalore. Cute little place, overrun by tourism a lot of the time. You can get a good coffee in a couple of places here. But yeah, it's a bit too Byron Bay for me. I used to love Byron Bay until it was turned into the playground of billionaires. And everyone else has been essentially locked out by gated communities, expensive paid parking everywhere, and you know, don't come here unless you got plenty of money is the message. So I'm going to head down now on what used to be the Pacific Highway. It's got some new fancy name now, I can't remember. Anyway, it used to be the Pacific Highway. The Pacific Motorway was built beside it, which is that bridge in the distance. Cars going over it. Oh, we'll hit it right here. Hinterland Way, that's what it's called. There you go. There's the new and here's the old. Wow, I remember this so well. Very busy highway. So much better when it isn't busy. I'm just thinking, rather than follow this, there is a little bit of a slightly longer route we can take, but there's a few views. It's always good to have a view, so I might do that. First of all, we're going to pop into a little tiny village here called Nuremberg. It's a good coffee stop. There's a new sign: fuel, pies, beers and more. Oh, that's right, the Harvest Restaurant Cafe that used to be here apparently isn't anymore. This is going to be interesting. See what is going on here. Sign said beer, pies and more. Wow, it's actually closed. Totally closed. Something else happening to it. General store now instead. A bit cheaper. So there's a different thing at Nuremberg now. A general store with a little outside cafe area, which I think might go down a lot better than the restaurant that was there, because honestly it was only for people with a bit of money, or you wanted to go there for something special, you know, and they ended up kind of classing themselves out of contention really, by being too classy, too expensive. There you go. I think this is the road I want. There's a bit of a view there, yeah, Old Byron Bay Road. I'm just remembering, well, how long ago now was it? Almost 13 years, I guess, ago, when I took my one-day-old Falcor along this road. I set off in the dark in order to film the sunrise, the sun rising on my new adventures. And of course, so many amazing adventures have happened since on this awesome bike. This is where I did it. This is where I filmed the start of it all. They've knocked down a house that was there. They're building something much bigger and uglier by the looks. Yeah, this is where I filmed Falcor when he was 1 day old. unbelievable. It's still there, that little bug. Look. He's been here the whole time. He's done 100 kilometers. Some of it at highway speed. You're going to stop there. He's still clinging on there. Well, what do you know? You might end up back home and find your family again. Might have to call you Nemo. Vague sort of reference, but anyway. So yeah, home via the back ways between Austinville and Lismore are always so much better than the main road, which is incredibly frustrating how people drive on it. So this is my commute, which I have almost never done on the bike as a commute. I don't want to spoil the fact that this beautiful bike is all about fun. Anyway, let's take Buggo here for another ride. Morning out, just about bang on time, back before 10 o'clock, before it gets even hotter, and just experiencing the joy of riding this bike on nice back roads again, and twisties and everything but highway, as I avoided the highway. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully I'll catch you on the next one, whenever that is. In the meantime, be safe and be happy, and we will just see when we get in the driveway, do we still have the Grasshopper. The Grasshopper that had started the day on my screen did the whole 100 kilometer ride with me and came back home.